I remember my first flight when I went on the seat. I couldn't even buckle up properly. It was so hard and challenging. But as you go through it, the lots of people to help you throughout the program, throughout your studies, throughout all the flight exercise, things went easy, and then I realized that my dream is not very far. My name is Gucharan and I'm currently enrolled in Aviation Management at Yukon University. I think people here are so helping. I like being in the north. I've been here for 6 years. Everybody is so engaging and ready to help. You just have to ask and approach people. That's what I like about YukonU. YukonU has helped me a lot, to be honest. There was a lot to learn. I think I'm way ahead now what I wanted to be. I'm on my track to be a pilot. I would highly recommend people to come here and get to know about Northern experience and get to know about people here, because everybody is so helping. Everybody will enjoy being here, and then you'll learn a lot throughout your journey at YukonU. I'm proud of being here, helping everybody, engaging with everybody and connecting with everybody. I think this will be the most unforgettable moment of my life. I see myself being in the Yukon probably for my whole life. I just wanted to thank all the instructor, faculty and staff who make this place amazing for everybody. It's always a welcoming experience for new students and I like it.